Luxe Under Eye Balm is being promoted as a quick-fix solution for dark circles, puffiness, and tired-looking eyes. But the real question is whether it actually delivers visible results, or if it's just marketing that looks convincing, sometimes even AI-driven. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Under-eye balms are real skincare products designed to hydrate, smooth, and slightly improve the appearance of the skin. However, here's the key point. The product is real, but the results are modest, and the marketing is heavily exaggerated. There are some positives. The formula typically includes ingredients like hyaluronic acid hydration, niacinamide brightening, vitamin E skin support. These can make the under-eye area look more hydrated and smoother, slightly reduce puffiness, improve overall appearance temporarily. So yes, it can work, but only at a basic level. That said, there are important concerns. First, exaggerated claims. The product is often marketed with visible results in days, erase dark circles instantly, dramatic before and after visuals. But in reality, dark circles caused by genetics or structure won't be fixed by a balm. Second, questionable reviews. Many testimonials sound overly perfect or repetitive, appear mostly on the brand's own website, may be filtered, incentivized, or AI-generated style content. So, is Luxe Under Eye Balm real or fake? It's a real product, but surrounded by overhyped, possibly AI-driven marketing. The bottom line is this. Luxe Under Eye Balm can give small, temporary improvements like hydration and smoothing, but it won't dramatically remove dark circles or transform your under eyes. If you expect subtle results, it's fine, but if you're expecting dramatic change, it's mostly marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.